So quickly, let's move and finish the
Thank you,
last
sir.
part of our discussion. Is slide visible to you? No?
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Fine. Is it visible? Session 4, friends, overview of SPSS and analysis. I will finish with very quickly 15 to 20 minutes. This is very important. That's what I shared the application with you. And overview of SPSS, the basic functions, estimation of various statistics, descriptive as well as inferential, using the dummy data, testing the hypothesis, very basic tests, and correlational analysis. So I suppose the first part I will discuss only, then second, third, and fourth will be the part of tomorrow's discussion. We will work on it. Friends, number of times is it has been said SPSS is meant for social sciences application. It is not the case. Statistical package for social sciences is a so indispensable application software. It is being used in almost all disciplines. It has number of add-on modules. It depends on the use. In which discipline you are going to use, you can buy the specific module and use it. I have seen in number of disciplines, biostatistics, quality control, this cognitive sciences also, marketing also, a number of disciplines, artificial intelligence also, data mining also, a large number of domain. So please keep in mind the SPSS, why we are discussing SPSS. It is very friendly, very easily available. I have shared with you off the record. However, it's very difficult to manage. If you go to the other applications that you cannot have. SAS, it is around 2+ crores. Statistica, 85 lakhs. Stata, 20 lakhs plus. So if you compare the overall budget or usefulness of the application or software, then it's very friendly, very easily available, and you can use number of disciplines as you wish. Okay, friends, बहुत quickly देखिए. It has acquired by IBM. Earlier it was SPSS only, based in USA. Now it is labeled as IBM SPSS. And the stable release of the SPSS right now, it is version 27, जो कि September last year release हुआ है. And operating system, Windows, Mac, and Linux, any of the operating system. You can download as a trial version for 30 days. But after completion or before completion of the 30 days, you cannot reinstall on the same machine. And it is a proprietary item. You need to pay for it. Okay. So this is the application software for manipulating, analyzing, and presenting the data. Widely used in social sciences and behavioral sciences. Perhaps we as a social scientist are afraid in writing the functions or commands. Okay. Now popular almost in all fields. Number of fields I have given the online training. Okay. Then pull down menu interface almost generates everything for you. Just click away, as you have been using MS Office family softwares. Syntax, you can create the syntax for feature use. Okay. You can read and write different data set into the SPSS. Any type of the data set you can read. The SPSS data file has the extension .sav, as you are having DAT for the ASCII, DOC for the document, XLS for the Excel. इसी तरह से SPSS का extension .sav, .spv for the output file. You can export the output into the different format also, MS Word में, PowerPoint में, PDF में, किसी भी format में आप export कर सकते हैं. It is an integrated family of products. A number of add-on modules are available that you can use as per your need. In addition to the base module, it has 15 others add-on. You can imagine. I have been using SPSS from 1986 when we were having the DOS version only. Most of you were not born at that point of time. I was working with the Indian Council of Medical Research at NIC Delhi. We were having the roster of 30 days. 30 दिनों बाद हमारा time आता था 1 घंटे के लिए to analyze the data. So we used to write the commands in the DOS. Windows तो था ही नहीं उस वक्त. Okay. The most popular modules are advance and regression in case of social sciences. How to start SPSS? Just install it and work like this. This is the first screen. The first interface screen, just like the spreadsheet as you are having in Excel. Rows are the variables, and this vertical you are having the number of cases. Friends, after version 22 version and above, you can analyze unlimited number of variables at a time, unlimited, and unlimited number of cases also, millions of cases. I have been analyzing millions of data set at a time. I am conducting experiment on neurophysiological assessment, psychophysiological assessments. So we are recording the data using the EEG brain waves. For 1 minute recording, we are having a data set of 800 points. So if the recording is going on for 30 minutes, so more than 2 millions of the data set will be there to analyze. I have used this application to analyze the data. Okay. So just click away, menu driven completely. As you have seen, there are two type of left bottom, data view and variable view. You will see. Okay. Menu bar that you know, toolbar, and in general there are 4 windows in SPSS. One is data editor, output, graphs, and syntax. 4 windows. You will have their use. So this is the data view. Now see, this is variable view. When you click the data view, you will enter the data. When you will click the variable view, then you will have the information about the variables in your data set. Okay, you can define different characteristics of the variable. Whether, okay, variable name, there are certain rules to give the variable name. A variable name can be start using the @ hash or $sign, but no other special character. It can start from the number alphanumeric. You cannot start from the dot or a star. No punctuation character. So there are rules how to give the variable name. And other characteristics about the variable: type, width, decimal, its measure, again nominal, ordinal, and scale, and its role, what role it is going to play. Okay, now quickly I am finishing this part and overview and just finish it. Just quickly I am going to finish this part of the discussion, just so we can continue tomorrow on this part of the that PPT I will share with you. Fine. So just for a few seconds, friends, if you go to the start, you can start your SPSS, click start, go to the programs, and you have IBM statistics. I have shared with you the version 20. So we will work, though I have license 25. So we will work on the 20 SPSS. Now this is being loaded and executing. Now within 10 minutes, I will finish this part. As I said, 16:30, I will finish my discussion related to this part of discussion. Friends, when you will start the SPSS, this is the first screen. So menu, as you are having in your MS Office application file, you can create the new file, new syntax, new output. You can open, you can read the text data, edit, view. डेटा के बारे में बहुत सारे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आप यहाँ कर सकते हैं. मर्ज डिफरेंट फाइल्स. देयर इज लार्ज सक्सेस स्टोरीज फ्रेंड्स. If you can play with such type of knowledge. When I was selected for the Aligarh University as a teacher, I applied through Pauper Channel. When I got an appointment letter, my employer suggested in public interest you cannot be relieved, though they gave me NOC. 4 months passed. Again, I got an extension for 4 months. Again, the same uncertainty. I was highly stressed, you can imagine. जिस पैशन, जिस करियर के लिए मैंने परहैप्स 20 years plus कोशिश की थी, इतना करीब आने के बाद भी I'm not able to get it. So you will surprise that at that point of time, a selection, a psychological test for 80,000 applicant for the post of assistant loco pilot was conducted by the Indian Railways. As a senior officer, I was asked to complete this process. 80,000 OMR sheet, 80,000 into 2, 1,60,000 OMR sheets ka processing and merging of the different files. You know, there are the basic information of the applicant, their written examination details, different reservation policies, and psychological test results. All 3 files are to be merged for the 80,000 candidates. You can imagine the barcode reader, sometimes it's reading, not reading. थोड़ा सा भी अगर error होती, so there is a rule in the Indian Railways, you can be removed from service. The charge sheet issued and the process, no relieving, आपका सारी कहानी खत्म हो गई. So I was given 15 days time to finish this process, then we will relieve you. Friends, because of this knowledge, because of knowledge of the SPSS, I finished the task within 7 days or 8 days. I was having a nice team of colleagues, and on the 8th day, I submitted the results to the competent authority, and just 2 days before completion of the 8 months, I was spared from the Indian Railways to join at Aligarh. So the biggest success story. If I could not have expertise in such type of knowledge, perhaps I could have lose this opportunity. At Aligarh, number of workshops conducted, organized by me. One of the PhD student, she was PhD in statistics. She approached me, sir, I have appeared in number of interviews. I am being asked, are you familiar with SPSS? I have not been selected as I am not familiar with. Please allow me to attend this program. So there is large number of success stories of this knowledge, friends. If you choose to learn this, your market value will be very high and you will be highly satisfied. Transform, analyze. A large number of statistical tests are there. Just click away. Direct, graphs, utilities, add-on modules, number of modules are there. Now see, server, modeler, text analytics, data collection. in this part, I am working as a UP police consultant also. In this part, I'm helping them to any extent. हम कल इस बात discuss करेंगे how to analyze the open-ended questions. MOS, I will discuss tomorrow, and Windows. So friends, this is data view. This is variable view. For example, if I wish to create the first variable, ID, just type it and enter. Now by default, all values are there. Second, the gender, enter, all values are there. Age, enter, all values are there. Now you can decide the gender, what is the measure, then you can select the nominal. What is the measure for this age? Scale. Interval and ratio type of scaling are labeled as a scale. So this is the first data set that I created. If you go to the variable view, friends, this is variable view. If you see the left bottom corner, if you click the data view, now see all three variables has been labeled as the column headers. Now you can enter the data like this. You can enter your data as we used to, like this. Gender, like this. Age. So this is your first data set. Now see, untitled, you need to save it. Go to the file and save. And see the path where you are going to place this data. You need to select the path. My cursor is not responding. Desktop, exercise 1. So data type is .sav. As I said, SPSS data extension is SAV. You can save it into the different format. Now see, if you click this, different formats, comma, fixed, a large number of formats are there. Okay, and save it. Now see, when you save this, now see, this is output window. This is syntax. If you go to the data editor, now see, exercise 1.sav. If I wish to examine the frequency, go to the analyze, descriptive statistics and frequency, gender. I will select the gender and see. This is the table. You are going to have two tables. The first table, descriptive statistics, and second is inferential statistics. Fine? Inferential. 1, 4, 2, 1. Now you can enrich this data presentation. If you go to the, what is meant by 1 as a gender for the layman, then you need to go to variable view, and in gender, now see values are there, these values. If you click this, आप यहाँ पे cursor लाएंगे, then you will have 3 points like this icon. जहाँ पे भी cursor लाएंगे, you will have 3 points icon. इसी तरह से मान लीजिए width को आपको बढ़ाना है, you can. Decimal place कम ज़्यादा करना है, you can. So I am interested to define the labels for this. Click and this. If value is 1, then female. Edit. If value is 2, male. Edit. Okay. And again go to the analyze, descriptive and frequencies. Up now you will have a more better table. Female, male, and a frequency. 4 are female in your data set, 1 is male, and their percentage. These two columns values are same. What is the difference between percent and valid percent? Friends, valid percent, if there is a possibility you might have some missing value. Now see, for example, if this gender for this data set is not given to you, this is missing value. If you again go to the frequency and see the result, now you will have a different table. Now see, there is a difference. Female are 60%, out of 5. But after removing the one missing value, this is out of 4. 75% are female and 25% is male, and 1 is the missing value. Okay. So there is a direct compatibility. Just click it and copy it, and you can paste it into the Word in your thesis or research article and modify as you wish. Okay. आप इस टेबल को मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं जैसे चाहें आप. You can give the labels and columns as well. You can delete one column. You can label them. You can type. You can delete some of the rows also. So there is a direct compatibility. This is one way. Another way is that you click the right cursor and export the data. Then you can export in different type of formats. HTML, PDF. Now see, Excel, PowerPoint, your data, MS Word also. You can directly export your data set. So friends, this is basics about the SPSS. One more point, if you are trying to read the existing file, for example, if I wish to read the existing file, 5 minutes, within 5 minutes, I'm finishing my talk. Perhaps it is KKR, then we are having this data that I shared the data with you.
क्या कर रहा है बेटा?
Give me just 5 minutes. I'm concluding my talk. I understand, but you are younger than me. You might have realized my level of stress, and this is the data that I have shared with you, employee data. See, the .sav, .sav is the extension. We can read different formats files also, just type. So I am interested in this file. If I click the Excel file, so there is one file, Excel file. Only the Excel file is available to you. You can read this Excel file. We will read this file tomorrow, but I read this SPSS file, employee data. Okay. Now see, this data is available to you. Then you can use all I discussed with you. If you are interested to examine the hypothesis, is there any significant difference between means for the current salary? This is current salary, and this is gender. Then you will go to the analyze and compare means. And compare means you are having independent samples t-test. Just click it and select the variables, just click away. So you will have this gender as this part, and current salary in the test variable. Now see gender, you need to define the groups. Categories kya hai? What are the 2 categories in which you are interested to compare? देखिए आपने जेंडर को लेबल किस तरह से दिया है, M and F. Okay, तो click the gender and define group. First group is M and another group is F. Continue. You can go to the options. 0.05 level of significance आप examine करना चाहते हैं, and okay, just okay. Now see, this is the descriptive statistics. Males का जो current salary है $41,000 से शुरू हो रही है, और females की 26,000. Standard deviation, standard error of the estimate. T-test is a parametric test. Its assumption is verified, and this is the value of T, its level of significance. So there is a statistically significance between these two means. Statistically significance means you can generalize these findings towards population. 95% or 99% there is all the chance कि इस तरह के samples जब भी आप select करेंगे, you are going to have the similar results. Okay, so this was about the t-test, friends. And one more, the last, if you are interested to examine the correlation, you will go for the bivariate correlation. I'm interested to examine the correlation between current salary and beginning salary of the employees. किस तरह का correlation coefficient मैं use करना चाहता हूँ? Pearson. If the nature of the measurement is continuous, then I will go for the Pearson. If the nature of the measurement is ordinal, or you can say the ranks, then we will go for Spearman. Okay, then see, this is the result. Correlation. The correlation between current salary and beginning salary is 0.88, highly statistically significant. And second value is 0.000, means this is the value of P. There is all the possibility, if you are having 1000 samples of the similar nature, hardly there is a chance you are not going to have the same results. So your confidence level about the results is very high. So you can make an inference about this data set on the basis of correlation. Friends, these were some of the basic techniques that I plan to discuss with you. So it is all about overview, and tomorrow we will discuss this SPSS proactively for the item analysis, for the confirmatory factor analysis, for the exploratory factor analysis have done by Kaushal, but I will use it for a different case study. And finally, we are going to have this Amos model. I will not touch up the same as it has been done by Dr. Salesh. So this is all from my side. Thank you very much for having the patience. It is a very lengthy, sittings, but क्या करें? It was the Professor Sharma and Neha ji ने हमें वक्त ही इतना दिया था कि we need to.
नहीं सर, कोई इशू नहीं है. We had a
Patient.
great learning experience, and all the participants are surely, I'm very sure they all are benefited from all the experiences you shared and all the topics. They were very clearly explained and nicely explained with the very patience. And
I'm sure and tomorrow morning when you are coming with your, you will be fresh. I too, you can have a number of questions that we can address related to today's sessions, but need to be
sure,
little
sir.
smarter tomorrow. We are going to have a advanced paradigm of test development exercise based on the data. Tomorrow we are going to address the data, SPSS and data, how to standardize, how to examine the psychometric properties of already developed tests, and so on. और बताएं, any other issue that otherwise we can conclude, you can understand the little bit the level of tiredness that you all are having along with me. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Neha ji, is
हाँ
there
जी
any
sir.
question? Or देखो a lot of participants has left. It's their motivation.
Sir,
Actually,
yes, we
actually point is that ki perhaps this is the tendency, but whenever we have an opportunity to learn, we need to make it possible.
yes, sir, very true.
Otherwise, ki in spite of large number of activities and engagements, I am with you because of commitment and Professor Sharma, and you showed in me.
Yes, sir, I really
Otherwise,
appreciate your efforts.
otherwise you can imagine ki this is very difficult.
I know, sir. Professor Sharma also told us as he like you are very busy, and despite of all the busyness, you still spare out the time. I really appreciate you,
And
sir, for that, and thank you so much, sir.
some of the personal and other issues are moving all together. I'm sorry for the little energy. Otherwise, I would have
No,
given
no, no, sir, not at all. We are
100% of your
highly
expectations.
no, sir.
Thank you
If
so
any
much.
participant has any
Yes,
question, can ask.
yes,
Otherwise,
yes,
we'll
yes.
conclude.
Any question, please, so we can
Sir, I
conclude
don't
the
think
today's
so
session.
because it seems that everybody is tired now. But
Yes,
tomorrow
yes,
morning,
yes.
I'm very sure we'll be again meeting in a same fresh mood.
Okay, so tomorrow we will we will start by 9:30, but we
Yes,
will
sir,
have a
sure.
break for from quarter to 1 to by 1:30 for the Friday prayer, and we
No
can
problem, sir. No
we
problem.
can merge it with the lunch also. So that I'm sure I belongs to you. You will understand my need also. And thank you so much for attending this program and your feedback. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.
Okay,
Do
sir.
I,
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot,
Nehaji,
sir.
do I conclude?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much, sir.
Take care.
Thank you,
Take care.
sir.
Bye.
Okay,
Bye.
sir. Bye. So all the participants are requested tomorrow to join in time at 9:30. Before 9:30, in fact, because once the sir joins, we will be starting soon without waiting for the participants to join. So, and the feedback link and the quiz link has been shared in the chat box and in the group as well. It's compulsory for all to fill this quiz. So kindly fill the quiz. You may leave the meeting now. Thank you.